Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about gifts. And some of you are probably going, what's he talking about? Why gifts? Well, in a situation where society might collapse or whether you might get snowed in or rained out from being able to leave your place, roads get ruined by earthquakes or whatever, you want life to try to maintain some sort of normalcy. So people are going to have birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, um, you know, Christmas time, times where you give gifts to someone, and that's one of the things that we've done. We've stocked up, figured out, okay, the grandkids are this old, and we bought up a bunch of presents for as their ages progress, things they would be interested in. We've also stockpiled gifts for each other, and put them away for times when, like, okay, shoot, I forgot the anniversary's coming up, or I forgot her birthday's coming up, or oh wow, yeah, we forgot about this. I got a graduation ceremony coming up or something. We have presents on hand, gifts to be able to give. The gifts can be toys for kids. They can be other types of games. Hey, adults love games. Card games. Little board games and stuff. Little games and stuff. Puzzles and stuff to keep people active. I know when back in the 70s, we used to give family puzzles to our cousins and vice versa. We'd find a really hard puzzle, with real small pieces and really intricate picture on it or whatever. And, sometimes, after Christmas and stuff, we'd be getting together during the wintertime and stuff before spring came around and having a puzzle night. And everybody gathered around and we'd see if we could finish a big 2,000 piece puzzle in one night. So it was fun, it was great, and it was bonding between not just family, immediate family members, but between cousins, aunts and uncles and such. So think about storing some extra gifts around for those special occasions, or sometimes not so special occasions. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month. Also, grow some fresh food. What's in the stores has chemicals on it and you don't want to be eating it.